prezi. Start to see, I gonna need a medic. Obviously a fly, LV on my belly. Don't be kind, that I'm my pocket heavy. Have money on my brain, keep talk what you're saying. Talk out the code that I serve, not the lane. Ice on my neck that shine like a chain. Now that money, me no know what you're saying. Bitcoin hot, I'm study stocks. I'm on the hood, I'm a not that up flying like this, now I don't need a gas. I'm up on the line, anywhere up on the map.
What's up, guys? Interestingly, to start off the video, I don't know if you know how to use Midjourney, but Midjourney actually has a Discord that you can use to like generate images at like the click at just a couple types. So you click imagine, right, and then you do a prompt. You can say imagine a scene from the movie Batman. I don't know, where Batman is selling patties in a food truck to catch criminal. And we'll do the same thing in DALL-E. That is another text to image based GPT. So generative, I don't remember what GPT exactly is, but just to look at that. So just look at what this generates and then look at what DALL-E also generates. It's going to take a few minutes, but you can also see what other people are generating. So you can see here, it tried to do it, a scene from the movie Batman where Batman is selling patties in a food truck, but it's kind of generating that the guy is selling something to Batman. So it doesn't seem to really generate that well on DALL-E. Let's see how it does on Midjourney. That should have been done already. That notification is typically when you know it's done. Let's see. Okay. And here is Batman, but it's looking like he's outside of the shop. They're not able to generate that. Maybe it can cause like a conflict to the storyline where people believe this is part of the storyline where it didn't actually happen in any of the movies, but mainly the recent movies. And I think the AIs have to kind of prevent for that because they can cause lawsuits and things like that. But I actually use that one to create this background. You'll see it here. It's basically a Roblox farm lake scene view. You can see here. So it's very good at making high definition pictures, but you have to have it bigger to see it. But let's get into what happened today. Yeah. Happened today. Oh yeah, I have it here already. So basically this account is going, as you can see clearly, down, 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 down. It's been having a lot of down days. Overall, like looking back at it, is like you had one trend for the entire week. It closed all bullish. You can actually see this candle here. That's why I have it here. The weekly is just straight bullish. Like it's been the best week in the market for the entire year, honestly, because the market went crazy down and then the bullishness was about like 7% in 1 week. You can see I made 4 trades today. One was a 43 profit, one was a 48 loss, one was a 47 loss, and one was a 71. This 71, I shouldn't have taken it, but I just felt that the market was going to come down, but the market was bullish all week. You can see it here. From Friday, we had that reversal. We closed green again, closed green again, closed green again, closed green, closed green. It's been a crazy week because I've been sell side bias all week, and it basically just went against everything I was doing. Because you can see I even entered 3 sells just waiting for that reversal, just expecting there's going to be a reversal, but we definitely did not get any reversals like throughout the entire week. But let's actually go into the hourly now and take a look at where I entered these trades, where I went wrong. You can kind of see it better, what I should have been seeing versus what I saw. So the first one was a buy. So I had the buys in the day. I just always seem to cut them a bit early. This one was riding from 14,879 on, let's look for the Friday candle. Wow, it's been so bullish all day. Let's go to Dubai time. I guess that's where the broker is registered. So Qatar. Okay. So at 13 on the 13 candle, entered at 14,879. So that's basically the bottom of the market for the day. So if I held that for longer, would have been a $300 trade, but close it early to lock in some profits. And I was expecting that reversal. I don't know. I just kept expecting that reversal, and it never came for the entire day. You can see I closed this after 2 hours and 30 minutes. That was on the 15 candle. So we had just a light push up, and I closed it out for $43 profit. I went lower with a 0.05. So price actually moved $80, but because I was risking a half, I made 43. Right, so this one I exited at 14,967.63 right there. Then the following trade I entered on the 15, because I'm just looking for the sell at this point. I entered on the 15, looking for the sell, and closed it on the 16 candle, or I got hit at my stop loss. But luckily, because the market kept rallying for the entire day at 14,971, 14,971.85, 14,971.85. What's going on? 15, right? 14,971.85. Entered a bearish trade there. Then I got stopped out on the next candle over as it pushed up at 14,996.08. It's looking like I was definitely just going against a trend here and just expecting that my bias would have came through. Even when I got this red candle, it was like, yes, we're about to reverse now. And then the next candle after was just a nice reversal. It just cleaned me out, just ran everybody's stops pretty quickly. So the next one I entered on the 18 candle. So that's this one here. Still looking for that reversal, because I'm saying the market can't just be running up every single day on the market, just running up. And it actually did that, and we still close higher. So it's good if you had like stocks in your long term, because you would have just went down last week and then end up back up this week. But if you're just trading and you were wrong on the bias, you would have lost money. So this one I got stopped out on the same candle for 47.62. Sell side trade, 47.62. And then the final one, I went for a higher conviction trade. I went for a 0.2, and I even had a bigger stop loss than usual, just to give the trade some room to breathe, because I was expecting that push down. The market still closed even higher than that price, so it's clear I was knocked out. So I entered this one on the 18 candle, and that's at 15,056. Then I got stopped out here on the 19 candle for 71.2, and that was a bigger loss. So After that, I knew I had to just stop. Like, it's not worth it. I could blow this. I can blow this account by today if I just kept trading. So let's see how next week trades. With such a bullish candle breaking through 2 candles, it's man, it's a lot. Because next week can trade and kind of clear out this level, which would be extremely bullish, man. But it definitely kind of broke a old high, and we can look actually bullish next week. Like that's where the bias is from the weekly. It's interesting. Let's even write it down. See if it plays out. So weekly ish. What are we looking at? November 4, 5, 6. November 6th. And then daily. What is the daily? So the weekly is slightly bullish because it's kind of breaking this level. What is the daily? This daily is bullish. Like a start of the bullish because it broke the level that it's about to go through. Now. Right. Daily. Bullish again. And hourly is even worse. It's funny. Very funny. But I'll see you in the next video. You can see the NASDAQ even close wicked high this week. And we still have 15,340 to clear. It's amazing that price came to this level, to be honest. I did not see this at all. From 14, from this entire week, the NASDAQ's range was from 14,257 to 15,127. Yeah. 900 pips on the week. It's not bad. I see you in the next video. Just take in that 900 from the bottom to the top. Just have to be right on the direction. How much is the risk? Could have risked at the lowest point $20 or $30 to make 900. But that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. And make a wish. Oh no, they blocked the phone. 11:11. Make a wish. I don't know if you can see it. See you in the next one. Bye bye.